In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize the iPevo Whiteboard app to annotate over documents. Right now I'm on an iPad, but this would work with any student 6 through 12's Chromebook by downloading the iPevo Whiteboard app from the Google Play Store. It makes it a little bit tougher if you don't utilize the touchscreen and try and use it on a mouse or a trackpad, but they're going to make sure that they download it from the Google Play Store, not the Chrome Web Store where they would typically get extensions and things like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is when I open up the Whiteboard app, right now I can simply draw, use a pencil, highlight, I can add a ruler, things like that. I can simply add text. A lot of cool different features if they are just writing up and kind of marking it up, working out problems, things like that. But what I wanted to point out is right here, I can also, the second icon is I can take a picture. So if I have a piece of paper or a worksheet, something printed out. Third one you're not going to utilize because we don't have a doc cam hooked up. But what's most important is down here, right now I can add multiple pages. I'm one of one. This icon, little landscape icon with the plus sign, when I click on that, I now have the options of my white background, a current screenshot, image from my iPad camera, from the photo library, or I can load some things from the web. So I'm going to load an image from the photo library. And you can see I have a single PDF page right now from the iReady workbook that students would be able to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be able to mark this up. And when I click down, I can do some translucent, some different sizes. There's a couple different options in here that make it really nice. But I love that, I'm able to kind of, circle, highlight, and you can see the different, sizes. Makes it a little bit thinner. The text also comes in handy. So for example, on these lines, if I need to type in an answer, I would obviously able to do so. And then when I'm all finished, what I want to point out is on the very bottom here, I'm going to choose the green camera. And what I can do is I can save this board as a JPEG, which would say I could save it right to my camera roll, or if I'm on my Chromebook, I would save it right to my files or my drive. That way it can easily be uploaded to Google Classroom or anything like that. So I'm going to hit close. The other option I wanted to point out is the video. So if I was clicking video, I would be able to record myself. And a student, this is great because it's having them mark it up, annotate over top of it, and now talk about what they've done to demonstrate. And you can see over here, it's recording right here on the bottom. So this is one of my favorite apps to use for annotating documents.